Okay, here's how you can make a presentation in SOSI. I've got a document here in Inkscape, and I've installed the SOSI extension, and I want to make this into a presentation. So I'm going to start with the world and closely zoom in on Ethiopia to show people where that is. To set up your project, you have to decide what you want to show on each frame of the presentation between each transition. So I'm going to use a rectangle to create a frame. And I'm going to start out by using this whole document. So I'm going to just draw a rectangle around the whole thing. Okay? And then I want to zoom in closer on Africa, so I'm going to make another rectangle around Africa. And then I'm going to zoom in on Ethiopia, but I'm not going to make a rectangle. I'll show you how you can do that without a rectangle. What I want to do, you could just define your frames in groups, but I find it easier to do them one at a time. So I'm going to select the outer frame, and then I'll make that my first section in SOSI. So if I go into my extensions, there's my SOSI extension, and I'm going to make a new frame. So here's the sequence: first frame, and here's the frame properties. For the title, I'm going to just call this the world. And what that does is that basically just puts in a list in here so you can keep track of what you're doing. The ID, you could leave that and ignore it, but that'll actually show up in the web browser, so I'm going to put that in there, called